Yeah, okay. Let's open the gift from Santa Mommy and Daddy.
I'm gonna be very careful. Let's open it together. Open it. Faster. That's a good job. Good job.
Good job, Mommy.
Good job, Mommy. I'll be
So
very
today is
careful. Let's see
November.
what's inside. What? A gift?
A gift inside
Another
again.
gift? What? Another gift?
Oh, there's another one there.
What? Rocky. I want to open Rocky. And then it becomes with this too.
Who's
I
that?
wanna
Who's
open
that?
It's Rocky.
Show me.
Over here.
Oh
That's
yeah,
Rocky.
from Paw Patrol.
Patrol on the road.
Paw Patrol on the road. Okay, open it. Open Paw Patrol.
Yeah.
Akin na.
Oh,
Daddy, pwede
oh,
natin
oh.
tanggalin. Ganyan lang.
No. Can't open it. Can't open it.
Wait, anak, wait. Let me help you. Mahirap pala ito buksan.
Kupitin mo lang.
Paano?
Kahit saan daw kupitin, dito mo na straight.
Ganon.
Not him.
I know.
And also not Rocky. He's safe. We got it. We got it. No. No.
Okay, don't take closer. Kasi baka masulat ito.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Mahirap ka naman buksan. Ito. Anak, stay away from mommy first. Okay? Okay, here. Baby. Who's this again? Whose character is this?
It's up Rocky.
Rocky?
And this one has a
Wait.
has a big.
Oh, there.
We got it.
We got it.
And we got this.
That's Rocky.
You can open this.
There.
What?
Wow.
We got Rocky.
You're complete na, anak.
Okay.
Anak, hindi mo malalim.
This is the sticker.
Ay, bili lang sa Home Depot, sa Superstore. Wow! Oh, you got Rocky, anak. Oh, kompleto na.
What's this? Is it an A?
Oh, we're gonna open the other one too.
Dapat talaga,
No.
may sa
Who's this?
Sticker.
Anak, ano ba? Sino yan?
Sky.
Siska!
And then it comes with this. I open it. I open it right here.
Okay.
I open it right there. We got it.
You help, Daddy. You help.
I open it right there.
Ayun. Ganyan.
I see him. I see a monkey and that.
Nasaan na si Rocky?
Over here.
Ayun, si Rocky nakuha na ni Daddy. Nasa train na. Ayun.
Here's the go right here.
Nice. Abit wala laman to. Sige, wala.
Sky.
Siska.
Oh, this is just a box.
Box lang yun ang
Oh, the
Oh, this
sticker.
is just a stick.
sticker.
A box. You put the sticker inside.
Kompleto na yun.
Okay, you put the sticker inside. Then you close it this way.
Okay, let's get your Paw Patrol. Who's this? Sino yan?
Who's that? Who's this? Hey, who's this?
Zuma.
Zuma.
Anak, dito yung si ano yun dyan. Pakita mo mundo kay Mami. Tell them Mama who you got.
Who's this?
Zuma.
Zuma. this?
Marshall. And this is the
Marshall.
monkey. This is the monkey.
How about this one, anak?
This is
Who's
the
this?
monkey. Chase.
Chase.
Where's
This
Chase?
is
Can I
the-
have Chase?
Girl.
Give it to Chase. Where's Chase?
Where's Chase?
Here.
And this one?
Let's meet Chase.
Ribble.
Rubble.
Wobble.
And who's this one?
Brownie.
Wobble.
And this is Rocky.
We named him Brownie.
And who's
Yeah.
this?
And this is Rebel.
Who's this one?
Rocky.
Okay, so you're complete na. Ito yung sasakyan ni
You have everything.
Sky.
Paw Patrol.
Okay.
And Zuma doesn't have it.
You have everything na. Complete na.
Star likes to go
Anak,
in
once
here.
again.
Once
Oh,
again.
Dere, once again, you name everything. Okay, I'm gonna point.
Squirrel.
Hey,
Look at
hey.
mami, look at mami.
Who's this?
Sky.
Who's this?
Brownie.
Brownie. Who's this?
Zuma.
Zuma. Who's this?
Chase.
Who's this?
Rebel.
Rubble. Who's this?
Marshall.
Marshall. Who's this?
Rocky. And has a button too.
Complete na anak dito.
You have your Paw Patrol characters
And
complete.
it has a button. And it has a
Mission
button.
accomplished.
See?
Ano nang hahanap?
Okay.
At least see Skyward.
Happy New Year.
Sky over here.
Okay. So, lagyan natin si
We
Rocky.
had a button.
Lagyan natin si Rocky dito inside para siya yung bantay. Okay.
Sky goes also. Sky goes over here. See?
Look.
Oh,
The monkey.
wobble foul. Si Marshall.
Ito si Rubble na.
Lego.
Lagyan si Rubble dito anak. Ang Lego.
Right
Lego
here.
Rubble.
Monkey
Lego
goes.
Rubble.
Monkey goes right there.
That's
right.
Okay.
And
So,
monkey
okay na
goes
mami.
right here.
Happy New Year. From, who's this? Marshall?
Yeah.
Happy New Year from Marshall and Mateo.
See, they go in there. They both go.
And who's this again?
Chase.
Chase and Marshall. Okay, let's show them Chase and Marshall. So Chase has a blue cap and very nice blue shirt, and that's his feet.
How?
Okay, and his face.
How?
And this is
How?
Marshall with a red cap and with a red shirt
I think it doesn't go.
and with dotted ears
I
and
know.
look. They're so cute. Both of them are so cute.
What?
You can. Okay, let's okay. Oh, let show this to Daddy so Daddy can fix it. Anak, Daddy would put this back. Okay, say bye and please like and subscribe our channel.
Bye. Please like and our
Subs-
channel.
Subscribe our channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yay! Bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year. Happy
Happy New Year.
2023.
Happy 23.
Happy 2023. 2023.
Yeah.
They're complete.
Look at my long train.
It's a very long train. Do you want to put the Paw Patrol there? Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.